Welcome to another vlog. So today I went to University of Suya. I've always heard about this place. I just want to know what's the difference between Suya and every other Suya in Lagos State, Nigeria. Suya is something we always eat in Nigeria, and it's like night is part of the spice because it's always at night that people eat Suya. So I just wanted to try out the Suya, and this is University of Suya, Faculty of Meatology. The only challenge is the queue. Like, I left Sule just to go to Kenya to get the Suya. The queue is kind of long, but it's worth it. It's worth the queue. So much work is involved in making the Suya. Look at the fumes coming out of the place. These fumes almost chased me away from there because they only have a window in which the fume seeps out. I wonder how they survive inside. It must be hot in there. Okay guys, so there are different types of Suya recipes you can get, and there are different prices for it. So it's not the normal roadside Suya that you normally would get. So you see the price tag already there, so you can get the normal beef, you can get. Hi guys, so I'm back from University of Suya. I'll show you guys what I bought. Just a minute. So at University of Suya, there are different varieties you could get. There is kidney, there is gizzard, there is normal Suya, there is special Suya. So we got special Suya. I'm sure you must have seen the type of Suya in the environment. You wonder what is this like this newspaper that they always have. Special Suya. Really nice. So now this is like the best Suya or something dipped in soup. I can't wait to see another video Suya, but really this is nice. I went all the way to get Suya and I like it. It's beautiful. Really sweet. See that? Nice. Very nice. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share your thoughts, and if you need good Suya, please don't forget to go to Faculty of Meatology, University of Suya. Bye guys.